Okay guys, Assalamualaikum and good day. Alright, so for today's session, I would like to show you guys on how to install the software that we'll be using for our subject which is digital electronics or also combinational logic circuit. So either digital electronics or combinational. So first of all, what you have to do is you have to go to the VLE of your subject. Then click on this first link here, software. Right? So I've uploaded a new topic discussion with the title of Quartus Ii. So click on it and this is the link. Okay, so just go to the link, or you can copy or paste it on your web engine, search engine. So and then click on download and then download anyway. So it might consume a little bit time because the size is about 1.4 gig. Okay, so just bear with it. Okay, so at the meantime, just to make sure that you know where to get your software from is from this discussion here. Okay, so discussion of software under the title of Quartus Ii, and then you copy this link, or you can go directly to the link and you will the link will bring you to this part here, and then click on download and download anyway. So just wait for it to install. Okay, so I think it might take about 2 or 3 more minutes for me because it's already 400 meg. The total size is 1.4 gig, so it won't take too long. Okay, so this walkthrough is basically an example for you on how to install the software right? So basically the installation part is very important, because if you miss any of the important part, which might cause you not able to be using the software. Okay, so bila tak boleh pakai tu leceh kawan-kawan lain semua boleh pakai, then you tak boleh pakai. So try to avoid that. Okay, so the topics of this subject. For the third topic, basically known as Introduction to Quartus Ii yes, here. Where's my notes? Okay, I haven't uploaded my notes here. I'll go to the combinational part. So, okay, this is the lecture notes for topic 3, which is the title of the topic is Introduction to Quartus Ii. Okay, so you may download this for your references. Okay, so this is where you'll be learning on how to use the software, but we will start this on our second session. Okay, on the first session, which is what you'll be doing today, is on how to install them first. And then next class only we will start on doing the circuit diagram, and then how to simulate them, how to obtain the output and everything. Okay, so basically I'm done here with the download. Okay, so I'll open the executable file, the installation file. Okay, so basically I may find it in my download lah, but I have already clicked here, so basically nanti dia akan keluar. Is it? Oh, it's still loading moment. It's not coming up. Okay, there, it's there already. So do you want to allow these apps from unknown publisher to make changes? Yes. So the Quartus 2 9.1 web edition setup, Windows will pop out. So welcome to Quartus 2, click on next. Okay, normal steps lah. Of course, you have to accept the license and agreement. Okay, as you can see, this software was published in 2009, so lama dah sebenarnya, but it is still relevant lah untuk kita pakai. Click on next. Okay, the username is my name, so you can put your name there. The company name is BMI. Click on next, and then the destination folder, you may change to any folder that you want, but I would prefer to let it use this destination folder lah. Okay, defaultly recommendation by the software itself. Click on next. Program folder Altera, yes. Click on next again. Complete installation, type next, and then next again. Then it will start to install the software lah. Okay, so just let the software install. Okay, so at the meantime, I want to upload my latest notes for you lah, because this is obviously this is the previous version. Okay, so this will be used for our next class lah. So I'll delete this, and then I'll upload the new one. Upload files. Okay, must be indeed 22027. Okay, sorry. 27203. Topic 3. Open, then upload. Oh no, this is 22203. Sorry. So I'll use the one from the other class first. Topic 3. Upload this file. Save and return to course. Okay, so you may use this file now. I'll do it for digital electronics for a moment. So I'll add up a file. Topic 3. And then I'll go to your folder, 27 notes. Topic 3, and then upload. Okay, so you'll be using that notes lah. Basically, they're the same notes. I just changed the date only. Okay, so this will be your notes for you to use, as well as for combinational just now. Okay, so the topic 3, intro to Quartus 2. So I would like to delete this one first lah. Okay. Okay, so please download for your reference. That is what we're going to do for our session on the next class. Okay. Basically, most of the design for Quartus 2, you'll be using a lot of schematic design and Verilog, some of Verilog, because for Quartus 2, you can install, you can design your circuit by using, there are two ways of designing your circuit. The first one is by using the circuit diagram. or we can call it as a schematic diagram. And then the second one is by using the Verilog codings. Okay, Verilog programming lah basically. Verilog ni dia one type of programming which are available uh, in engineering world. Alright, so basically kita kena tengok nota-nota yang saya upload nanti lah untuk you tengok macam mana nak buat and everything. Alright, so basically the steps are there are a lot of steps, but of course you can refer to my notes or my lecture or my video lectures later on bila you nak proceed dengan you punya assessment. So don't worry about it lah, because basically everything, all the steps are clearly shown even in the notes dan juga dekat dalam video. So you may refer to that lah. But of course, for next class and our next 2 or 3 classes, you'll be focusing on how to use the software lah. So don't worry about them. I'll teach you how, and I'll share with you the video later. Okay. So as for now, we'll just wait for this software to be completely installed first. Okay, so it's done. So that's quite some time juga lah. Alright, so create the shortcut on the desktop. Of course, yes. And then just wait for it to complete installation. Quartus talkback, enable send it talkback to Altera. Click no lah. Click OK, and then view readme tak payah, and then finish. Then that should be it lah. Okay. Just wait until the windows disappear by itself. Alright. Okay, so now where is my this one? No. Quartus web edition Space Explorer. Here. Quartus 2 9.1 web edition. I don't know why is it not showing here? Supposedly it's already here because I want to create the desktop icon just now. So I'll delete this one first, and then sorry. How do I show on desktop? Moment ya. Quartus Altera, sorry. Altera Quartus to into taskbar. Okay, open file location, and then this one send to desktop, create shortcut. So this is it. Alright, so I'll try to open them. So we'll wait for the software to load, and then cancel on this one. Just let this upgrade web edition disappear, then you can start. Okay, can connect. Okay, so now you are done. You can start designing your circuit. Okay guys, so that's it for today for the installation part. So I would like you all to please, you have to install this one first before we start our class, because all the next on the next topic, for topic 3, you'll be doing all the jobs, all the assessments on this subject, on this software. Okay, so I think that's it from me for today. If you have any problems with your installation, please do not hesitate to contact me lah. Ada problem, tak boleh install, tak boleh buka or everything, just just ask me, I'll help you. Okay guys, so that's it. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum and good day.